Okpatu was at my house today. I told him about your revelation because he asked why we're having problems. And he acted strange. I don't want you to keep making people believe what does not exist.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Yes, you should be very ashamed of yourself. You called off our engagement. I came to your house to beg you and tell you that I missed us. And you pushed me away. Now you're calling me here to tell me this rubbish that you're saying.
They're not rubbish, darling. It is you who's allowed your heart to wander for nothing.
And you are the one who's not seeing things from the empirical point of view. Let me even ask you, are you truly a man?
What sort of question is that? Of course, I'm a man.
Then do the right thing. Save your people from anarchy, doom and backwardness.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.